Stop saying to kids, say you're sorry. Say you're sorry. Go say you're sorry. Sorry, jerk. Let's face it. If you're not sorry, you're not sorry. Right? And why don't we water it down and sugarcoat it? If you're not sorry, you're not sorry. Do you have to make amends if you've hurt somebody's feelings? Absolutely. But it isn't about saying as long as you said you're sorry, you're okay. Don't make kids write an apology letter unless you've given them a rubric for that apology that says, how do you feel? How do you think the other person feels? What are you hoping the other person is going to feel by your letter? And how should you feel after? Whoa, mind blower. Because see, the person who gives the apology should feel a whole lot worse than the person who receives it. If you're really sorry, you should feel crummy. And that's a feeling you got to experience.